The latest version of Project Designer 4 features a new tool called the Project Library. Located over here next to the Pattern Library, this is where all of your projects purchased through the store or downloaded in try mode, or even projects you've created yourself, can be organized and stored. You can use the Store tab to search for projects in the CarveWright Pattern Depot, to download in try mode, or to purchase them directly. Simply search the title or keyword of what you're looking for, and then select the options that you want to see more of in your results. By double-clicking, it'll open up the Pattern Depot window, which will give you details of the project, give you an option to purchase it in the store, or to install directly into your Pattern library. Once installed, it will automatically select and open up the folder with which you've just downloaded. If unlicensed, it'll show with a red border around the thumbnail. If you want to look at any of the projects in demo mode, just simply double-click on the project file. It will give you a warning that it's in demo mode, but then allow you to view it if you want to inspect the project and analyze it. It also comes with the PDF files for the projects that you can double-click on and open directly in your PDF viewer. If you wish to modify a project, you can use the clone button to create a duplicate of that project so that you can rename it as something else and then make modifications to that file rather than altering the original version. You can also create new projects by clicking the New button and naming your own project category. From here, you can right-click and add files to that project category by browsing through your computer to find the MPC files you wish to add to it. You can also add PDF instructions. If you already have the file open in Designer, you can select the project category, right-click, and select Add Current Board. And it will add the board that is currently displayed on your screen. You can also use the Import button to import any project zip files that have been downloaded from our store. If you get to have a lot of projects, you can simply search in the search bar at the top to find exactly the projects you're looking for, or use the deeper search to find specific files. We think the new Project Library tab will increase your enjoyment and access to all of the wonderful projects in the CarveWright Pattern Depot.